Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Logitech Zone Vibe 125 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone. At first you have to turn on your headphones by pulling this switch over here. Now you have to go into pairing mode by holding this switch near your Bluetooth icon. Now they are in pairing mode, so we can go into our device settings and then connected devices. Here we have to click pair the device and now we have to click Zone Vibe 125. Here we can decide if we want to allow access to contacts and call history and then pair. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!